Closet chaos? Not anymore. This 4-tier stackable organizer is your space-saving superhero. Tired of wrestling with overstuffed drawers and chaotic piles of clothes? The Yociyoga 4-tier stackable closet organizer is here to rescue your wardrobe from disaster. Built with a sturdy iron mesh frame, this breathable, space-saving storage system makes organization effortless. Unlike flimsy plastic bins or saggy fabric shelves, this solid, no-nonsense organizer holds bulky sweaters, jeans, bags, and more without losing shape. Whether you need a standalone shelf or a stackable storage solution, this sleek foldable closet organizer adapts to your needs. Because let's be real, life's too short for messy closets. Big wardrobe? Small space? No problem. Measuring 15.7 inches by 11.8 inches by 8.7 inches, these deep storage baskets are designed to fit seamlessly into most closets without sticking out or taking over your space. The upgraded wide-mouth design allows for easy access, so you can grab your favorite hoodie or jeans without digging through a mess. Got bulky winter coats? No worries, this versatile storage unit is tough enough to handle thick sweaters, jackets, and bags while keeping them neatly stacked and easily accessible. Finally, a storage solution that works with you, not against you. Unlike cheap, bendy plastic alternatives, this premium iron mesh organizer is built to last a lifetime. The durable metal construction provides superior stability, while the breathable design prevents musty odors and mold from creeping into your favorite clothes. Plus, with its trapezoid shape and smooth matte finish, it's not just practical, it's seriously stylish. Whether you use it for clothes, accessories, hats, or even books, this storage shelf is as sturdy as it is sleek. Say hello to a neater closet and a fresher wardrobe. Flexibility is key when organizing your space, and this modular storage system delivers. Stack multiple units together for a tower of organization, or use them separately in different rooms, it's all up to you. Need a temporary solution for seasonal clothes? Simply fold it down and store it away when not in use. No screws, no complicated assembly, just instant organization in minutes. Whether you're a minimalist, a fashion lover, or just someone tired of closet chaos, this adjustable storage shelf makes tidying up a breeze. Why spend a fortune on bulky built-in shelving when you can get the same durability and organization at a fraction of the cost? The Yociyoga 4-tier closet organizer is affordable, tech-tested, and built to last, giving you premium quality storage without the premium price. Whether you're looking to streamline your wardrobe, maximize space, or simply keep your home clutter-free, this game-changing organizer delivers function, fashion, and flexibility. Upgrade your closet today, because your clothes deserve better.